Hi everyone, I'm gonna unbox my new sign. Here's the lady I got it from, Design Wood Creations. Um, and that's where you can follow her or look her up. The lady that I bought my first sign from, I contacted her because I dropped the other one and it fell. And I was going to order another one, but unfortunately, she never got back to me. I waited a couple of weeks and I never heard from her. So I said, well, I need a sign. I can't wait. So I got in contact with this lady. My friend Michelle from Seaside Crafter did a video on her sign not too long ago. So I went through her. So I'm going to do the unboxing with you. I just opened it up. And she gives me some fun things over here. Design Wood Creations. That's who she is. Her name's Sonia. She's very, very friendly. Thank you for shopping small. Okay. Put that in there. Very sweet girl. Oh, I got a little lollipop. That's cute with all the hearts on it like that. It's really cute. Look at this cute stuff that she wrapped it in. Pretty pink. Alright, here's the big reveal. Look at that. I can save that for something else for sure. It's very cute packaging material. And here is my sign. So let me get this out of the way. I will open it up. Handmade with love. I love that foiling. All right, guys, here we go. Now, I kept it with the original coloring because my, wow, that is huge. I wish I saved the other one just to compare the two. My colors for my logo is the black cat with the blue underneath them, the blue banner, so I kept it the same. And this one I zhuzhed it up because I noticed that she had glitter. So I glittered it up. Here we go. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. And then I didn't know if I wanted to just do black glitter with the blue or the flat blue or the flat black with glitter blue. I didn't know how I wanted to do this. And she was very patient with me. First of all, she showed me all her fonts. Then she took my name and she put it in all the fonts available so I could see everything. Now this, in the camera, this is coming off as a darker blue. This is actually, I don't even know how to explain this blue. It's really pretty. It's not dark like that. It's more, think of peacock feathers from Tim Holtz the Ink. Peacock feathers. It's kind of like that. So it's not, on camera, it's coming off a little bit kind of purple, which also looks nice. But like I said, I wanted to just match the logo. So that's why I kept it with these colors. I actually love it all glitter. I really do. And this is a big sign. Together with shipping and everything, it only cost me $27, and I think that was well worth it. Here's the back of it. It's just beautiful. Now I know that when I do things, I'll make sure I put this away. I'll only take it out for videos because my other one got all hot glue on it, glitter glue on it, then it fell and snapped. I mean, I can't do that again, but in a way, I'm kind of glad that happened because this one is so beautiful. Not that the other one wasn't beautiful, but I am loving this. So if I can, I'll link her information in the description box. But it's Design Wood Creations. Her name's Sonia. You can get her on Instagram. Like I said, she was very, very polite. She took her time. She showed me all the fonts and with this, because, you can see a font and like it, but then when you see it in the word you need, it might look totally different. You can't tell really unless like she just took Petey Pie Designs and showed me all the fonts, and I really appreciated that because I was going to go with another one, and then I saw this one. It was so much prettier with this. So, and then with the glitter, I wasn't sure if it would be too much, so she took it and she showed me pictures of what it would look like with it and all that, and she really took her time on me. And I appreciate that. Very kind girl. And I just love it. The sign is absolutely beautiful. If you have if you're subscribed to my friend Michelle at Seaside Crafter, I don't know if you know her sign, but if you're not subscribed to her, Michelle does a lot of great things too. And Seaside Crafter is so pretty because it's the bottom is all glittery teal, and then she has the Seaside Crafter at the top, pink, and that looked really pretty too. So I'm glad that I asked her about she gave me the information for this lady because I just love it. It's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. The blue is just so pretty. Like I said, it's coming off more purple on the screen, or like a darker blue than it really is. But that's my unboxing of my sign. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.